students, I am Himashi teacher. Today we are going to learn about grade 7 maths lesson fractions. In this lesson you will be able to learn what is a fraction, types of fractions, convert improper fractions into mixed numbers and convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole number. A fraction is a part of a whole number. What does it actually mean? Okay, let's see an example. Think your mother has bought an apple yesterday and she has cut it into two pieces. She has cut it into two equal pieces and you took one piece out of them. Now I need to write the fraction that you have got. How can you write this fraction? You have one piece out of two pieces. 1 out of 2. That's how you can write the fraction. Okay, let's do these activities with me. Here you can see a cake and this cake has been cut into 4 pieces. Cut into 4 pieces and you are going to take only one piece. How can you write the fraction? 1 over 4 because you have one piece with you and 4 pieces are there. Okay, next example. There is a chocolate and it has 24 pieces. 24 pieces. Then how can you write the fraction? You are taking 8 pieces. 8 over 24. 8 over 24. That's how you can write the fraction. Next example. Here you can see a set of bulbs. I need the red color bulbs. So how can you write the fraction? The fraction is how many red bulbs are there? 1, 2. 2 bulbs are there out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 bulbs. That's how you can write the fraction. And this pizza is cut into 8 pieces and you are going to take one piece out of them. How can you write the fraction? 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8. 1 mean the slices you have. 8 mean the whole part divided into 8 parts. Next we are going to talk about parts of a fraction. A fraction has two main parts. Let's see what are the parts. Here you can see a fraction 1 over 2. Top number we call as numerator. The top number we call as numerator and the bottom number we call as denominator. Numerator and denominator. Okay, next we are going to talk about types of fractions. There are some types of fraction. Among them we are going to talk about unit fractions. What are the unit fractions? Unit fractions are if the numerator is equal to 1, such type of fractions are called as unit fractions. Here are the examples. 1 over 6, 1 over 5, 1 over 3, 1 over 2. Here you can see the numerator is 1. Next type of fraction is proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is if the numerator is less than the denominator, such type of fractions are called as proper fractions. Here I have given some examples. 2 over 3, 4 over 9, 3 over 10, 5 over 7. You can see 2 is less than 3. Okay, next one is improper fraction. Improper fractions are if the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, such type of fractions are called as improper fractions. Here you can see some examples. 16 over 8, 101 over 52, 5 over 3, 8 over 4, 12 over 2, 20 over 11, 2 over 1. Final type of fraction is mixed numbers. A mixed number is when we write whole number and a fractional part together, we call them as mixed numbers. Here are some examples. 1 and 1 down 2, 15 and 5 over 6, 3 and 2 over 3, 10 and 6 over 7, 5 and 2 over 5, 6 and 11 over 12. Okay, next we are going to talk about how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Here I have given a fraction. This is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. To do this, you have to follow some rules. Here are the rules. To convert improper fraction to a mixed number, you have to follow these steps. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Let's see how can we do that. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Numerator by the denominator. How many 2's are there? 3 2's are there. 3 times 2, 6, and 1 is remaining. So, the answer should be the whole number and the remainder should be the numerator and denominator won't change. So, the answer is 3 and 1 over 2. Okay. Let's do some examples. 8 over 3. Here we can divide 8 by 3. 3 times 2, 6 and 2 are remaining. So, the answer is this part is whole number and the remainder is numerator and the denominator won't change. This is the answer. Here is another example. 9 over 2. You have to divide 9 by 2. 2 times 4, 8 and 1 is remaining. This answer is whole number and the remainder is numerator and the denominator won't change. This is the answer. Okay. Next we are going to do how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Here I have given a mixed number. So, you have to convert into improper fraction. To do that, you have to follow some rules. Here are the rules. First, you have to multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. Whole number and the denominator. Let's do. Whole number 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. You have to multiply. And next step, you have to add the answer to the numerator. You have to add the answer. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So, 7 is the numerator and the denominator won't change. It must be 2. Here are the examples. First, you have to multiply the denominator by the whole number. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 30. 13 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator because it won't change. Another example is there. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Denominator should be 4. 13 down 4 is the answer. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless you.